cut the salmon into half, and this is totally optional. Then mince 2 cloves of garlic. Get an inch of ginger and cut them into large pieces so that it's easier to remove once the essence is into your meal. So this is the secret to making a very crispy, delicious salmon. Place about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter and a bit of oil, equal amount of ratio, and that's how you get your salmon really crispy. The combination of the butter and the oil makes it really crispy at the end. And then you gotta wait until the entire butter and oil is browned, just like this. You have to wait for a good 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar-free maple syrup or honey as an alternative, and let it just simmer for a bit. Then add your minced garlic and the ginger and just stir it for a while. Once it's slightly brown, you can place the salmon skin down first, then add a bit of salt. I completely didn't record that, so just maybe put a teaspoon of salt and sprinkle it over. And then you can place 2 slices of lemon in, and then you can maybe put some of the oil and the butter on the salmon, move things around a bit, and then you can let it to cook and cover it. After about 2 to 3 minutes, or maybe sometimes 5 minutes, depending on the flame that you use, turn the salmon on all sides so that it really gets that crispiness on all sides. But I bet the salmon is actually quite cooked inside out, so this won't take too long. Just flip it on all sides, and once you see it brown a bit, then that's it. And that's it. It's really brown on all sides. The lemon is also really sweet and sour, and it's super delicious. Enjoy, guys.